Man, it's Chop TV, man. What we got? OG Hoover Stomp, man. Let's get straight into it. See what they doing, man. Too swole ass, cocky ass motherfucker, man.
Nigga, and my whole team wildin' out. Slid through the suckers, had they whole scene hiding out. Nigga, I'm the nigga that they hot about. You pull up on me trippin', I'ma show you what you got about. Look, I'm gang sliding with the gang sliders. And all my niggas sliding with me with the gang violence. Clip hanging out the Glock like it's hang gliding. Gang product when it come to poppin', I'm the main top. Huh?
Man, what in the fucking OG Zesty Lope Dog Crip Snoop Doggy Dog shit that is, man? The fuck? Y'all niggas ain't let each other go yet. The hell? Let me see what's going on, man.
I'm gang sliding with the gang sliders. And all my niggas sliding with me with the gang violence. Clip hanging out the Glock like it's hang gliding. Gang product when it come to poppin', I'm the main top. I'm from the land of gangbangers. Better get your mans now, cause ain't no later, niggas.
Nigga about fucking 40 years old, goddamn, straight off child support. Big beef ass, chain gang ass crooks, goddamn, you feel me? OG motherfucker, man, let go, man.
Looking on my name until it's down goes crazy. My brother gone, but that just mean I'll see you later. Look, my cup still muddy, no ankle bracelet, no cases. Sliding off safety, safety leave you wasted. Did that time and double back. I program with a low paces. We gon' run.
Man, if y'all don't get y'all big uncle cookout, hot dog neck ass, man, what the fuck is going on, bro?
Mug real nice with a proper coat paper, orange chucks and blue laces, 30 clips and shell cases. Astro fitted cap in a pocket full of blue faces. Body ink to game tats, my section full of hatred. Held it down through every situation.
Hey, I ain't gonna talk too much, speak on gangbanging, but bitch, y'all got some explaining to do, boy. That shit zesty as hell, boy.